Hey everybody, today is day 9 of the 100 Days Project. I thought we'd start off with some watercolor and then maybe jelly print over top. So let's get started. So this is the Schmincke Desert Green. This is a wonderful color. Look, it's already separating, you can see. And I kind of want to just going to put some marks down. I don't know what I'm going to do today. You can see this has got a couple of different colors in there. I think we're going to need some more. I'm going to be adding some brown into that as well here at the bottom. Again, these colors really react well to water. You can see all that nice graining that's going on there. And then I think I want to come in with just a little bit of the Payne's Gray here at the top. I really should have wet the paper down a little bit, but my sketchbook is getting a little curly. Okay, let's let this dry and then we'll jelly print over top. I think I want to go in a little bit with a palette knife, just a little bit while it's wet. I don't think I want as many of these marks as I normally do, but I want to see how it's going to react to this paint. Maybe more down at the bottom instead of at the top. Okay, so I'm going to use some of this acrylic gold from Liquitex. I don't know why. I'm feeling kind of goldy today. Let's see what it does. Get a little bit of that out. It's pretty transparent. So it should give us a pretty interesting look. And then I want to do a bit of stenciling. Where's my paper here? I can't really even see that. It's so light. Let's get some paper out and make some ragged edges here. I don't want a whole lot, and I'm gonna try to build this up really subtly. Because I don't really want to cover up what I made there. So I'm just gonna do a little bit here and see if it works. See how I like it. I love it. I love it. Okay, the gold was a good choice, I think. It's really subtle. Let's go in with the Derwent Eat Deep Indigo and make some marks. Oh, I just broke it. Oh, I think it's okay. It's definitely broken, but we're gonna make it work. Oh. I gotta sharpen my pencil. Okay, let's try that again. I don't know what happened there. It's getting a little short. I use it a lot. Let's make some of these marks. Not really. My goal is going forward here is I want to try to keep these as simple the work be a little bit more simple. I feel like I've been covering up a lot of stuff and a lot of marks that I kind of don't want to do anymore. So these are going to get real simple, and we'll explore that idea, I think. So I'm going to go in with the ink black. Make some and I think I want to do just a little more blue over here. Okay. I think that's all I want to do today. I think I'm going to keep it really short and simple and just limit the color palette. So let's come, this is what we got. I like printing over the watercolor. These Schmincke watercolors are fabulous, and I love what we did here with some of these lines. I think they could be, I'm fussing. I'm doing exactly what I said I was going to do. But I do like the flow of it, and the simplicity of it. What do you think? Should I keep making it more simple, or should I expand more? Let me know in the comments. But let's look at this with the matte. And here it is with the matte. Simple, elegant, easy to look at. I'm going to be exploring this idea a little further, because then it gets more watercolory and less acrylic, but I really do like it with the matte. I think there's some really nice things going on there, and it's amazing what you can do in 10 minutes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video to the left for more content, and I will see you for tomorrow for day 10 of the 100 Days Project. Thanks so much. Bye.